Hi everyone, today is March 19th, first day of spring. I'm participating in an open collab hosted by Debbie from Debbie's Kitchen, and the collab is hashtag first day of spring. So today I'm making a Spumoni cookie cup. I've never heard of it before, so we're going to give it a try. So what all goes into the Spumoni cookie cups? 1 roll 16.5 ounce sugar cookie dough, 1/3 cup flour, 2 ounces of chocolate flavored candy coating almond bark or dipping chocolate. I'm going to be using this chocolate flavored candy coating. It's got a microwavable tray. It's more than 2 ounces, but this is what I'm using. 1 box 4 serving pistachio instant pudding and pie mix, 1 cup cold milk, 1.5 cups or 4 ounces of thawed whipped topping, and 18 maraschino cherries. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a large bowl, take your sugar cookie mix. I think it would be better if it was a little bit softer. So maybe leave it out for about 10 minutes or so before you start working with it. And then take your 1/3 cup of flour and put that in the bowl. Then with your clean hands, mix this all together. And that's why I think it would be easier if the dough was a little bit softer. But they want you to break up the cookie dough first before you add the flour, which of course I didn't do. Debbie from Debbie's Kitchen. She's a very nice lady. She always has these really nice collabs for different times a year and stuff. And I always try to participate because I always have so much fun. So I will leave her link down in the description box below to her channel, and also you can check out everybody else that is participating in the first day of spring collab. So I'm going to mix this up until it's completely incorporated with the flour, and I'll be back. And rolling it up and putting it in, we want 18 balls. Okay, I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. Instead of the 18, it made 22. I'm going to push these down a little bit here. They didn't say to, but you're going to make cups out of them. You need them kind of in a shape that will become a cup. All right, so take a dowel rod or end of a wooden spoon and make a well in there. Don't go all the way down. You want to just make it like a well. And I think it needs to be bigger than just the size of the end of a wooden spoon myself. All right, so they're all done, and what I did was I stuck them in with the end of the spoon, and then I just kind of went like that to widen out the well, because you ain't gonna be able to put anything in there otherwise. So put your Spumoni cookie cups in a preheated 350-degree oven for 14 to 15 minutes until done. All right, so they're not all the same size. They're funny looking, but they're done. So as soon as you take them out of the oven, take your wooden dowel and do this again. You want to make sure you have enough room to fill your stuff with it. Then let them sit in the pan for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, take them out of the tray. I thought I was going to need the knife to get them out, but they're coming out really well. And as you can see, they have the holes still set in them. So take your microwavable melting chocolate and open it up. Remove the plastic from the chocolate and put it in the microwave. Cook it for 1 minute, 20 seconds at 50% power. While the chocolate is melted and hot, take your little cookie cup and dip it into the chocolate. And as you should see, the hole still opens up. I'll finish that and I'll be right back. So they're all dipped in chocolate. We'll let the chocolate set up and then we'll go on to the next step. So the chocolate has set. Then next take your pistachio pudding mix and dump into a bowl. And your 1 cup of cold milk, add that to the pudding mix. And whisk that until completely combined. And then take a cup and a half of the thawed whipped topping and fold that into the pistachio pudding. And fold that in gently so the whipped topping does not deflate too much. So take a piping bag, fill it with your pistachio whipped cream mix, and then just fill up the holes. And then put a maraschino cherry on top of each little cookie cup. And try to drain your maraschino cherries a little bit. I patted them down with a paper towel and got most of it off because you don't want the red dripping into the green. So we'll get this dished up and then Dave can do a taste test. So here are the Spumoni cookie cups. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, these are cute. What are they?
They are Spumoni cookie cups.
Okay. Kind of a crunchy, light texture to it.
Yeah, it's a sugar cookie cup and it is melted chocolate and then it's pistachio and whipped cream and maraschino cherry.
It's very good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.